Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has strongly criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for turning Operation Sindoor into a political campaign. Speaking to reporters in the city, Kharge said sometimes those in power should just keep their mouths shut. He urged the Prime Minister to focus on the country's security challenges rather than boasting about personal achievements, especially during such sensitive times. Kharge added Modi should step back from election campaigning and focus on the nation. I'm not saying this politically, but sincerely, he should prioritize the enemy over self-praise. The Congress chief also questioned Modi's earlier claim of giving the armed forces a free hand. He said, if the military has full freedom, why is Modi acting like he did everything himself? Kharge stressed the importance of political restraint and recalled how Pakistan's parliament once resolved not to make statements during tense periods with India. As long as the army is there, we are safe, so we support the armed forces. Referring to the ongoing diplomatic efforts linked to Operation Sindoor, Kharge said several multi-party delegations were visiting other countries to explain India's stand. Until they return, it is not proper to be touring around and giving speeches, he concluded.